All right, and we're back with another video. All right, so this one's a user requested video. So I'm on the monthly time frame, and this chart looks pretty crazy. So this is TTOO. I don't know what they do. I don't know anything about them. Don't know the fundamentals. I'm just looking at the charts, guys. Do not know anything about them. You're gonna have to do your own due diligence. Not a financial advisor. Anyways, so it's trending down, but it broke out of this massive resistance. Look at this too. We have something like this, and this is a big time frame. I'm curious if maybe something like this, if not even more something. I mean, I would maybe say something like that, 735. Just a quick target. This is really long term too. This is like a huge chart, so this would take probably a long time to happen maybe. But the way it's moving now, look at this. So this is on the weekly. We're getting a clear uptrend after all this time being down pretty much. uh, Lots of green candles. Probably be careful. You might want to watch for pullback on the weekly, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's just doing really good. I don't know the fundamentals. The daily looks pretty up and down healthy. It's still riding this trend line. It does look like on the moving average, it's struggling to get back above it. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, so it broke down underneath it, and then now it's kind of struggling to get above it. I think it went above it, but it's like struggling underneath it. Watch for this 210 line, this 210 price, I guess. If it goes above it like today and we kind of close above it, that'll be a good thing. If we go down, it's not going to be great because it'll be under this moving average still, but it's not over yet because it hasn't broken this trend line, unless it does break the trend line. So let's go into the hourly. All right, what do we got here? We got this kind of support going like this. I would say something maybe like this. It looks kind of something like this smaller time. What are we on? Okay, so the hourly, the moving average is on top. The 4 hourly, it's on the bottom. The daily, like I said, it's kind of fighting it. What's on the weekly? The weekly is doing good, like we were talking about. To bigger time frame, it looks pretty good. Also, the other thing that I saw that you want to keep an eye on. So this 180 moving average, once it breaks that, there'll be less resistance keeping it down. Let me see the monthly where that 180 is. I don't even. There's not even one. I guess it's not long enough. What else do we got? Okay, so I guess watch for this. That was the other thing I wanted to say is $3.24. Watch for that line to break. After that line breaks, then it'll be the blue, and this one will cross, which will be good. And then we can really start to say, like no. I mean, not no, but it'll just look more bullish in my opinion. Not financial advice. The one thing I do like is that there was this huge downtrend, and it looks like we're kind of breaking it. And then like look at this other thing too. So we got these. It was a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We just got a higher high. See, so that puts this kind of going upwards. So that's a good thing. Maybe it almost looks like a reversal down here, something like that, possibly. Let's see if it could keep that uptrend. If the next target, I guess you'd want to try to break, would be this top previous high right here. Once it breaks that one, then that's another good sign. So yeah, just keep your eye out. Let's see if you can. I mean, I don't know. Maybe this target would be kind of decent. This price is really cheap though. Maybe I should take a look at it. What would be a good entry point? Let's say I wanted to get in on this. I would say if it can. I think if we could break out of this 4 hourly and start like if we can start writing this 4-hourly trend again, maybe I will think about, maybe I'll even dollar cost average. I mean, 210 is like, just to kind of put it on your radar, 210 seems like there's a lot of potential. The all-time highs were, I mean, it kind of went all the way down from the all-time highs though too, and it's been on this kind of run, like a pretty hardcore run. Let's see, but the all-time highs are up to $24. So and then the second highs are 10, 12. But I think that about does it. Let me know if you have any questions, if that about kind of maybe helps. So yeah, shout out to the user who requested it. Let me look up Kevin Otero. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep up to date. Other than that, you guys have a great day.